Hi everyone, it's me Justin and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, it's about Beanie. So this is entitled 8 minutes of Beanie Hilarious Interviews P-Pop Insider. So this is 8 minutes, so I'm not gonna talk a lot because it's really loud. You know, the background noise is the worst right now because it's raining and my fan is loud, so everything is loud and I'm loud as well. So we need to balance it out, so I'm not gonna talk too much. I'm just gonna enjoy the video.
A few moments later.
So before this video starts, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and of course subscribe to my channel because it helps a lot. It really do. And yeah, I'm sending hugs, love, and kisses to everyone who's watching this video. So let's start the video in 3, 2, 1. I'm actually excited for this one.
Beanie, di ba kita ka ma,
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Oh my gosh.
donasyon kayong ibibigay para sa mga tao. Ano yung thoughts niyo about it? Hello? Amazing, wala akong narinig.
She have this level of patience in this video, in this clip. Hello. Girls' reaction to Cherry on Top.
Congratulations sa inyong big debut ng Cherry on Top. Reaction lang, please. Reaction lang.
Na-trigger ako eh.
You're fine when you're not really fine.
Juana super corny joke.
Paano hindi naman inaliw yung mga sarili sa aeroplano? Nakatulog talaga. Hindi gumagana yung socket sa ngayon. Tapos tinitignan ko yung bintana baka may makita ko yung Saturn.
Do you ever look at someone and wonder, what is going
Saturn.
on?
Kasi na lang yung puso. Saturn ba yun? Baka naman eh. Baka naman Uy! Hindi Saturn yun! Sa kanya yun! Ang corny! Ang corny!
What?
Oh no. Oh no. Colette's savageness is the best every time.
Okay, give us the attack of Aya attack, like how you've seen it as yourself, yes?
Hi, Bruce. I hope you're making the right decision. Don't give up on your sorry. Don't give up on your dream. You know,
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Oh my gosh, a lot of idols do this one. They love passing the mic so much.
Criminal offense.
Oh no.
Wow, so Keita.
Oh my gosh. I feel so nervous. Why? What? I'm actually scared of mics, so I don't like talking as well. They're just passing it around, guys. Singing random with Pink.
Iba-iba na po yung sinasabi lyrics ni Star.
Oh my god.
I don't know the lyrics as well. Aya is really pretty. Guess this one in German.
What the dog doing?
Yeah, Mika shouldn't be in this game. Oh my gosh, this clip, I will never forget this clip because they're very competitive on this one. Where's who? Oh my gosh. Juan and Stacy, the Tom and Jerry and Billy. Oh my gosh. And Sheena is so unbothered.
Nice.
Hindi ko to
Movie. Oh. She's not denying it, guys. Kulat is so cute though.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
Really? I mean, I'm gonna be honest with you. I love watching idols like eating a lot, like eating the food that they want or that they're craving. It's like I feel fulfilled. Like there's a fulfillment feeling when you see someone you love eating what they want to eat. So Stacy's out of the topic answer.
First question is, bakit hindi mo na dapat tayo umuwi?
Oh. That's how Beauty Queen answers, so.
I am the one, the way you
I haven't watched this one. Oh, that is it for the video. So thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you guys for watching this video. I swear. So thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.